The lockdown in Mumbai will continue past the 17th of May. That is what a Maharashtrian minister has indicated. That and a lot of other stories here on Outbreak News. In her third press conference as in many days, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled more details of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 20 lakh crore rupees package amid the coronavirus crisis. Today, the government announced 1 lakh crore rupees to strengthen farm gate infrastructure for farmers. The Finance Minister also said that the government would amend the Essential Commodities Act to enable better prices for farmers. The government will also bring in law to implement agriculture marketing reforms to provide marketing choice to farmers. The minister said this law will provide adequate choices to farmers to sell product at an attractive price. Well, now coming to what the situation is in India's financial capital, Mumbai. Mumbai plans to extend the lockdown scheduled to end on May 17th. This is what a Maharashtra minister has told NDTV. Mumbai reported nearly 1,000 COVID-19 cases on Thursday, taking its total to over 16,500 cases. Maharashtra is expected to have over 50,000 cases by the end of May, with the majority of them in Mumbai. Besides Mumbai, the lockdown may be extended in Pune, Solapur, Aurangabad and Melgaon, which have had the maximum number of virus cases in the state. Maharashtra has close to 26,000 coronavirus cases and nearly 1,000 deaths. US President Donald Trump has signaled worsening of ties between America and China over COVID-19. In an interview to Fox Business, Trump said he has no interest in speaking to President Xi Jinping right now, and he also suggested that he could even cut ties with the world's second largest economy. Trump said he was very disappointed with China's failure to contain the disease and that the pandemic had cast a shadow over his January trade deal with Beijing, which he has previously hailed as a major achievement. A heartbreaking story. BBC has reported that babies born to surrogate mothers have been left stuck in Ukraine because of coronavirus lockdown measures. Ukraine has a very thriving surrogate industry, and it is one of the few countries in the world that allows the service for foreigners. There are huge concerns that a long border closure will place a burden on the clinics and distress the parents. Ukraine's human rights ombudsman has appealed to authorities to find a solution for scores of infants born to surrogate mothers for foreign parents. Now, Amazon has said that they are going to be producing hundreds and thousands of face shields for medics and sell them at cost price in the United States. The internet giant said engineers from its drone and hardware division had been given this task to develop the product. So at first, the product will be sold to healthcare professionals before making them available to all Amazon customers. Amazon is not the first major US firm to use its resources to produce personal protective equipment. Apple began sending face shields to hospitals in March. SpaceX, HP, and Ford also use their manufacturing resources to make and donate face shields and other type of protective equipment. So those were all the top stories of today. For all the latest information on the coronavirus outbreak, stay tuned to NDTV Hop Live.